Hey, let me show you how you can customize your edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So we've got actually a few options, and first of all, I can recommend you to open it and click on the settings icon and check if some other panels are actually useful for you. So in my case, I just add here the smart selection and the reminder, but you can also find the list of the contacts, tasks, weather, tools, clipboard. And when you go into the Galaxy store, you can actually download other screens, but for more of them you have to actually, for most of them you have to actually pay. But if you actually select everything that you want to actually get here, next go to the settings. From this you have to scroll down and move into the display. Right now scroll down again and you have to open this option, edge panels. So first of all, we can actually click here on the handle, and as you can see, we can change position of the panel to the left side or to the right side, and also the exact position. So if you want to get it here, or for example here, just put it into your preferences. And also we can unlock this. So you will be not able to change the position until you enter here one more time. We can also change the color, the transparency, size, so we can make it bigger, smaller, and from this we can also get the vibration when handle is touched. And now when you set it up, you can just go back from this one, and as you can see, now we can open it, and when you click here, you can also change the position of all of these panels that you have right here. So if you want to remove some apps or add some apps, you can just click on these buttons and now add new apps, just like this. Now we can just go back from this one, and that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.